Hello everyone, I'm Christabel and I've generated a C++ program for managing student attendance in lectures. The features of this code is that it registers students, creates or mark attendance sessions. We can also view the report, save and then load the data. So the key components of this C++ program is that one, we have student class. So this is the student class. The student class consists of the string index number. We identified the syntax. So string index number, then your string name. The second component is attendance session class. So the attendance session class also stores course code, data time, duration, and then the method to mark attendance. Then the third one is file handling. So now let's go to the main menu features. The first one is register student. Yes, the main menu features. So one, register student. Two, view student. Three, set students by index. Four, create attendance session. Five, mark attendance. Update update attendance record. Seven, view attendance list for session. Eight, view attendance summary. Nine, save audit, and then 10, load session from file to Excel. So now let's run the code to see if it really works. Come here, go to your run. So yes. Very good. So this shows that the code runs successfully. So now let's take it step by step. So we go to one. Click on our enter. They said what? Register student. In the enter index number. So let's say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9D. So enter full name. Rose. So enter. You could see what? Students registered successfully. So now let's go to 2. Enter. So when after doing the code, I tried testing it with other students to see. So the first one was Jan Kelvin. You could see the second name, the third name, the fourth name. The fourth name is what I just added. So let's go to 3 so that we can see all the features of the code. So enter. So 3 states that serve students by index. So let's say we are in a classroom, then we want to find a student easily. It's not now that we are coming to go through the list one by one looking for the names. You have to just type the index number to get the name of the student. So let's say 012421551D. Click on your enter. You see, when I type the index number, this is the name that came. So it's simple. It's using this kind of approach is simpler than you going to look for the name each by each in the list. So now let's go to 4. 4 says that create attendance session. So let's say they said enter course code. So EEE 201, then enter. They said enter date. So 2026 underscore the month 03 underscore the day 04. So you click on your enter. Enter start time 7 o'clock a.m. Zero seven 07 a.m. Click on your enter duration in minutes. Let's say 90 hours. So enter. You could see that what attendance session created successfully. So now let's go to 5. 5 says that mark attendance. So when marking the attendance, first you select the session. It's a first session because it's 7 o'clock. So 1. So when marking the attendance, P represents present, A represents absent, and then L represents late. So for Jan Kelvin, he came but then he was late. So L. So enter. Which Christabel, she came present. P enter. Yao Kwame. Okay, he was also present. P enter. Then we will see A for absent. So you could see attendance marked successfully. This kind of approach is simple. No need for passing papers around, wasting papers and stuff. Using this kind of approach helps us to get attendance quickly, easier and then faster. So now let's continue. We go to 6. Enter the 6 says that update attendance record. So let's say by mistake someone did a mistake with it, so we use this update attendance record to clear that mistake from there. So select session number, which is 1 because it's the first lesson, then enter student index number. So let's say 0124215 D. So you enter. So the first one, it was present, but it was a mistake. So let's go to the second one. We are updating it. So the actual thing is that she was late. So let's choose L. Then enter. So you could see attendance updated successfully. So now let's move to 7. View attendance list session. 7. So select session is the first lesson, so enter. You could see from here, you see Jan, Kelvin, late, Yao, Kwame, present, Uche Christabel, late, Yebua, absent. So with this, it will, even because of the way we did the coding, it will go straight to Excel. So you just, if you are sending it to your lecturer, you just copy the link or you just save it and then send it as a file to your lecturer. Or if you are using it for something else, you just simple as that. No need for paper writing, no need for wasting any kind of time. This is simple and precise. So after, let's, because of time, let's jump to the 9. So we are saving it. So you click on enter. So you say what? Student save to student, session save to session, all data saved successfully. So the next time, let's say you've misplaced the file you sent to your lecturer and you're starting from it again, you just come back to the code. It's already there. No need to go back to your old files and stuff. The fact that you saved it on the code, it will always be there. Thank you very much. And then if you want the code, you can write it in the comment section and I'll send it to you. Thank you for your time.